What is up, guys? It's GeorgeBot Gaming here, back with another video of Mario Kart World. And this time we are doing the Lightning Cup. Very excited to play this one. Just one more video to go, and we're done with the Mario Kart World Grand Prix series. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Hit Grand Prix. I was feeling we could do Donkey Kong, since Donkey Kong Bonanza releases in a day. Well, that's pretty cool. Gonna do the standard bike, of course. And we're going to do the Lightning Cup. 50cc, of course. Let's go. Starting off with Moo Moo Meadows. Yeah, this is a classic. Well, that's a very aura image of Bowser. I'll tell you that. Bowser's just literally 110% aura. That was a devious smile from Donkey Kong right there. Okay, and we're starting good. Sixth place, not that bad. Just might as well use these to catch up. And we have. See if we can get a double box. Yes, we can. Let's see if we can glide over here. Okay. Got some boost. That's nice. Gonna collect some coins. On to our second lap. Okay, let's try and avoid the cows. See if we can avoid that item box. Not gonna avoid the blue shell though. Okay. Nothing horrible. I mean, we're still in first place with a decent gap. Nothing insane. Okay. Nice how we got that double item box in air. That's pretty cool. But unfortunately, they're useless weapons. Okay. Oh, come on, seriously? Let's just boost our way into victory. Avoid cows. I know I've said that like 3 times already. Man, that was risky. Okay. Gonna collect some more coins. Okay. And we got the double item box again. That's cool. Hopefully they're same weapons. Come on. Luckily we have a good gap, so it's not like it matters. And we have done it for the first race. Nice. Let's move on to the second race. Cocoa Mountain. Gonna get that speed boost. And we're off. Got the boo item. Mushrooms in Mario Kart do come in clutch sometimes. We can get that food item. Nice. Ah, a waste anyway. We already had 2 items. What? Oh, okay. I don't mind that. Gotta watch out for the parabeetles. Might as well just torment Bowser Jr. real quick. Work on getting some dashes in, some drifting. Watch out for those piranha plant that just spew out items. Yeah, those piranha plants that just blow items into the air are very annoying in 2D Mario, I'll tell you that. I love how Donkey Kong just dabs when he's in midair. Oh yeah, W Donkey Kong. Okay, about to be on our 3rd lap. Might as well get some dashing in. With those, I forgot what they're called, wow. Those pusher people things, I don't know. Gotta watch out for those boulders. Man, it's always the blue shell in like the last race. Luckily we have a good space between the racers, so it's not like it's a total loss. And we won. Nice. Got the 30 points, my fault. And time for Toad's Factory. I just love Donkey Kong's, like, emotes. It's so amazing. Okay, let's see if we can get a good space. Sorry, Waluigi, you're only good for the memes, I'll tell you that. But I do agree that he should be getting the spotlight more than Wario. Whoa, that was crazy. Yeah, I don't know what stopped us there, but whatever. See if we can get to those things. Not to that one, but we surely can for that one. Why am I in 10th place? I have no idea. Gotta lock in. Yeah, that new question mark block item is really useful for gaining some little speed. We can get to that passion. Yes, we can. Not like that, though. Hey, we're in first. That's good. Let's see if we can keep it up. I don't want to get hit by fences. I don't want to get hit by fences. Get that food item. Might as well drink that tomato juice in a can. At least that's what it looked like. Hey, we got a new costume. That's cool. Let's go here, here. And we're now on our third lap. Hopefully we can keep it up. I don't know why I drifted too early. Down here. Okay. What? Oh, it's the green shells. Okay, these aren't usually a problem. Let's see if we can stay on the green. Never mind. No, go on this one. No. We're fine. Okay. Some coins. Might as well use it right now, actually. Just to get out of this dirt. And we are off. Nice. We are now at 45 points. That's pretty good. Just one more race, and we'll have that gold cup. Alrighty. Not too worried right now about getting a solid place. I feel like that will come naturally if we just play the race. Pretty sure this would be called Bowser's Castle, knowing the theme of this race. Might be called something else, but knowing Mario and Nintendo, it would be called Bowser's Castle. Gosh, okay. Watch out for... I forgot his name! Oh my gosh. I'm like the worst Nintendo fan out there right now. Okay. Now in second. Not bad. Not bad at all. Gotta watch out for those boulders. Now we're in first. That's good. Okay, and now time for the moment I've been waiting for. Bunch of dashing. Not want to miss the platform. There we go. We're now at the last lap. Might as well go on the left side because we're not. Some coins. I have a decent gap right now. Hopefully we don't lose that. Okay, just gonna go through here. And we're off. Man, there's just so much going on the screen. That's not good. You can get the double item box. Nice. On the left side again. Never mind, we went on the right. That's fine with me. Oh gosh. Whoa. Oh my days. Wow, that is just so much things to pay attention and look out for. Not a problem though, because we have finished the Grand Prix. Just look at Donkey Kong with those moves. They'd take this guy to like America's Got Talent or something. Third place, Bowser Jr. Second place, Toad. And first place is Donkey Kong. And boom, we got the Lightning Cup. I love the engines on top. That's pretty cool. Nice touch. Alrighty guys, well, that's it. Just one more cup to go, and we're done with the Mario Kart World Grand Prix series. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and please share this with your friends if you think they'll enjoy it too. And yeah, I hope you guys keep in touch for the last episode. And yeah guys, have an amazing day. Peace out.